10 things that are keeping you broke that you must stop today. You check your bank account. Again, there's almost nothing left. Again, you tell yourself, I'll save next month. But next month comes, and the same thing happens. Here's the hard truth. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because of 10 specific things you do every single day. And you probably don't even realize they're killing your wealth. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to name every single one. Stop them today, and you will never be broke again. Number 1. The latte factor. It's not really about coffee. It's about small, daily, mindless purchases. $4 for coffee, $12 for lunch, $6 for a snack, $15 for a taxi instead of the bus. That's $37 a day. Over a month, that's over $1,000. Over a year, more than $12,000. That's a used car. That's a down payment on a small house. Stop telling yourself it's just a small treat. Small treats add up to big poverty. Track every single small purchase for 1 week. You'll be horrified. Number 2. Unused or forgotten subscriptions. The gym you haven't visited in 6 months. The streaming service you used for one show. The app subscription you signed up for a free trial and never canceled. The average person wastes over $300 a year on forgotten subscriptions. That's money you're literally throwing away. Today, log into your bank account or use an app like Truebill. Cancel everything you haven't used in 30 days. Watch your monthly expenses drop instantly.
Number 3. Paying only the minimum on credit cards. This is the most expensive habit you have. Credit card interest rates average 25%. If you owe $5,000 and pay only the minimum, it will take you over 10 years to pay it off, and you'll pay almost $8,000 in interest. You're working for the bank, not for yourself. Stop using credit cards. Cut them up if you have to. Pay as much as you can above the minimum. Every dollar of interest you avoid is a dollar you keep. Number 4. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. Congratulations. Then what do? You buy a nicer car, rent a more expensive apartment, eat out more often. Your lifestyle inflates to exactly match your income, and you're still broke, just with nicer things. The antidote? Every time you get a raise, save at least 50% of it before you see it. Automatically transfer it to an investment account. Live like you're still on your old salary. That's how you build wealth, not just earn more.
Number 5. Convenience fees. Delivery apps charge you extra for every item, plus delivery fee, plus service fee, plus tip. That $15 meal costs $30. Pre-cut fruit costs twice as much as whole fruit. Parking near the entrance costs more than walking 2 minutes. Convenience is a tax on being busy or lazy, and it keeps you broke. Start doing things the harder way. Cook at home, walk an extra block, buy whole foods and chop them yourself. You'll save hundreds every month. Number 6. Impulse purchases. Amazon's one-click ordering, Instagram ads, flash sales, only 3 left. They're all designed to bypass your rational brain. You see something, you feel a dopamine hit, you buy it. Then it arrives and you don't even want it. The rule? Never buy anything non-essential the same day you see it. Wait 24 hours. For big purchases, wait 30 days. Most impulses die in that time. You don't need it. You just want the feeling of wanting it. Stop feeding that feeling.
Number 7. A car payment. Cars are the worst investment you'll ever make. They lose 20-30% of their value the moment you drive off the lot. And car payments often come with 6-10% interest. The average car payment in America is over $700 a month. That's $8,400 a year just for the privilege of driving a depreciating asset. Here's a radical idea. Buy a reliable used car with cash, or use public transit, or bike. If you must have a car, pay it off and drive it for 10 years. Car payments keep you broke. Stop them. Number 8. Bank fees. Monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, minimum balance fees. Banks make billions from people who can least afford it. The average overdraft fee is $35 for being $5 short. That's a 700% penalty. Switch to a no-fee online bank like Ally, Chime, or SoFi. Turn off overdraft protection. It's a trap. Use only in-network ATMs. And keep a small buffer in your account so you never go negative. These fees are theft. Stop volunteering for it.
Number 9. Social comparison. Your friend buys a new iPhone. Your cousin takes a vacation. Your neighbor gets a boat. And you feel like you need to keep up. This is the most expensive emotional trap. Here's the secret. People who look rich are often drowning in debt. They're broke. They just have nice props. You don't need to impress anyone. The only financial competition is between you and your past self. Stop watching what others have. Run your own race. Wealth is silent. Debt is loud. Number 10. The most important one. You pay everyone else first. Rent, utilities, phone, subscriptions, eating out. Then you save whatever's left, usually nothing. Flip the script. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically transfer 10-20% into a separate savings or investment account. Treat it like a bill you cannot skip. Even $50 per paycheck adds up. Over 10 years, at 8% interest, $100 a month becomes over $18,000. That's not nothing. That's freedom. Start today, even if it's $10.
Start a business. Even if it's $10?
Finally, 10 things. Some of them hurt to hear, but you needed to hear them. The good news? Every single one is a choice. You choose the latte. You choose the car payment. You choose to pay minimums. And you can choose differently today. Pick just 3 from this list. Stop them this week. Then pick 3 more next week. In 1 month, you will have more money in your bank account than you've had in years. Hit like if you're done being broke. Subscribe for weekly money truths. And comment, I'm stopping. #starting today. I'll hold you accountable. Now go. Stop the leaks. Start building.